For homeowners in Warren, managing heating and cooling costs is a year-round concern. Cold winters, warm summers, and frequent temperature swings can place heavy demands on HVAC systems, especially in homes with older or inefficient windows. One of the most effective ways to reduce energy expenses is through window replacement. Modern windows are designed to improve insulation, reduce air leakage, and maintain more consistent indoor temperatures, all of which directly affect monthly utility bills. Here's how replacing outdated windows can significantly impact heating and cooling costs in Warren homes. Reducing air leaks that waste energy. Older windows often develop gaps around frames, worn weather stripping, or loose sashes that allow air to escape. During winter, warm air leaks out. During summer, hot air sneaks in. This constant exchange forces heating and cooling systems to run longer and work harder. New replacement windows are built with precision-fitted frames, advanced weather stripping, tight compression seals. These features dramatically reduce air leakage, helping your home retain conditioned air and lowering energy waste. Improved insulation keeps indoor temperatures stable. Single-pane or aging double-pane windows offer limited insulation. Modern replacement windows use insulated glass units that slow heat transfer between the inside and outside of the home. Benefits include less heat loss during Warren's cold winters, reduced heat gain during warm summer months, more stable indoor temperatures throughout the day. This improved insulation allows HVAC systems to cycle less frequently, saving energy. Low-E glass reflects heat where it belongs. Many replacement windows feature low-E, low emissivity coatings, thin, invisible layers applied to the glass that reflect heat. In Warren homes, low-E glass reflects indoor heat back inside during winter, reduces solar heat gain during summer, helps maintain comfortable temperatures year-round. This technology plays a key role in reducing heating and cooling costs without sacrificing natural light. Reduced strain on heating and cooling systems. When windows leak air or transfer heat inefficiently, HVAC systems must compensate. Over time, this leads to higher energy use and increased wear on equipment. After window replacement, homeowners often notice shorter heating and cooling cycles, less frequent system operation, more consistent comfort. Reducing system strain not only lowers utility bills but can also extend the lifespan of HVAC equipment. Eliminating cold and hot spots near windows. Drafty windows often create uncomfortable areas near exterior walls. Rooms may feel colder in winter or warmer in summer, prompting thermostat adjustments that increase energy use. Replacement windows help eliminate drafts, balance temperatures across rooms, make more living space comfortable and usable. Better comfort means fewer thermostat changes and lower energy consumption. Better performance during seasonal extremes. Warren experiences both freezing temperatures and summer heat. Replacement windows are designed to perform consistently through seasonal extremes. Modern frames and glass resist expansion and contraction, maintain tight seals over time, perform reliably during temperature swings. This consistency helps control energy costs throughout the year. Long-term energy savings add up. While window replacement requires an upfront investment, the energy savings accumulate over time. Many homeowners see noticeable reductions in monthly heating and cooling bills soon after installation. Long-term benefits include lower annual energy expenses, reduced maintenance and repair costs, improved overall home efficiency. These savings help offset the initial cost and increase the return on investment. Professional installation maximizes energy benefits. Even the best replacement windows won't deliver full savings without proper installation. Professional installers ensure correct alignment, sealing, and insulation around each window. This prevents hidden air leaks, moisture intrusion, performance loss over time. Installation quality directly affects energy savings. Increased home value through efficiency. Energy-efficient upgrades appeal to buyers. Replacement windows signal a well-maintained, cost-efficient home, boosting resale value and buyer confidence. A smart energy upgrade for Warren Homes. Window replacement has a measurable impact on heating and cooling bills in Warren. By reducing air leaks, improving insulation, and supporting HVAC efficiency, modern windows help homeowners save energy while enjoying greater comfort. For those looking to control utility costs and improve year-round comfort, replacing outdated windows is a smart, long-term investment that pays off season after season.